Introducing the East Coast Digital Programme, our plan to roll out digital signalling to all services travelling on the main route north from London King's Cross. The programme is a joint effort driven by a strong partnership of organisations working together to bring it to life. Replacing traditional signals which look a lot like traffic lights and sit at the side of the track, digital signalling appears on a screen in the driver's cab, providing a continuous feed of information. With this new system, we can keep trains running smoothly, cut carbon emissions and reduce the need to close the railway for engineering work. And if things go wrong, digital signalling helps us recover quicker. Making the switch is a big change for the railway, affecting trains, tracks and the way we work together. That's why we've started small, focusing our attention between Finsbury Park and Moorgate, London. Every train on that route operates with digital signalling, so there's no need for the old signals anymore. We're also working on the main line. We've already installed the equipment we need on the route between Welwyn Garden City and Hitchin, but it's only running on test trains right now. We need to make sure the system is working correctly with the many different train types that use this section of the line. Most passenger trains are already set up to use digital signalling, but they might need an upgrade before they can run our newest systems. It will take time for us to upgrade all the trains, train all the drivers and our teams before we see the benefits of digital signalling between Welwyn and Hitchin. After that, we can move at speed to transform the East Coast Main Line, starting with the stretch from Biggleswade to just south of Peterborough. We're on a journey and it'll take some time to reach our destination, but we know it'll be worth the wait. Once completed, we can all look forward to more reliable, punctual and environmentally friendly services, and it will be easier for us to add more trains in the future. Gradually, we'll start to introduce digital signalling on lines across the country, equipping trains and drivers with the tools they need to deliver the railway of the future.